My name is Dr. Bettina Love. I am a second-year professor in the Department of Teacher Education. I've had a lot of support, and some of the things, just to name a few, I had a first semester course reduction, travel funds to continue my research, continue my study, and present at professional conferences. Last year we had diversity luncheons, also monthly workshops regarding tenure, promotion, publishing, and how to present at conferences was something that we did on a monthly basis last year. I currently teach classes EDU 305, 316, and EDG 606. And a lot of these classes deal with issues of racism, sexism, and multiculturalism in the classroom. EDU 305 is a class that really focuses on the foundations of education and looking at education through multiple lenses, looking at education through a sociological lens, a philosophical lens, an economical lens, a sociological lens. So those are the three classes that I teach. When you look at my syllabus, I try to give my students very challenging readings. The first book that we read is Pedagogy of the Oppressed by Paulo Freire. And that is a book that really stresses on looking at critical thinking, looking at conditioning, and understanding the role of the teacher and how the teacher should challenge students and how they should challenge the banking method of education opposed to the problem posing. So just scratching the surface, the very first 2-3 weeks of class, we're talking about issues within Pedagogy of the Oppressed. And then also, my students have a philosophy of education paper in my class where I really try to get them to focus on why they want to teach. And within why they want to teach, the philosophy that they're going to use to teach. Notions of the delivery, how you're going to deliver the content, what is the role of the teacher, what is the role of the students within this paper, and how to house that within a philosophy. And then the most important point is how to use the text to make your argument stronger. And so the philosophy paper is a really challenging paper that students have to grapple with and have multiple drafts of, but at the end they really have a sense of who they are as a teacher going into the classroom, critically thinking about issues that is going to affect them.